Okay guys, our next installment of rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings. So, one of these is pretty rare, the other one in these boxes are pre-owned, but they were pretty cheap, so I just got them. Okay, right guys, if you've been following the series, we've got some cool stuff. You can see the cars over there guys, and definitely the Formula D cars, the RX-7s just look amazing. There's only one there at the moment, the Rockstar one will be coming up soon, and the DS3, wow, they're amazing guys, proper beautiful cars, and that Porsche is a bit of a rare beauty as well. So, okay, talking about rare beauties, oh, here we go. Right, this is one I'd seen for a while, but it was just too expensive, and I thought, you know what, I can't justify buying one of them for that much price. But I do like my rally cars. And this is the Vauxhall VXR. And there's a few of them knocking about on eBay, but I always like the look of them. It's not like really decaled out, but I don't know, the roof looks pretty cool, I reckon. Can you see without any glare? I don't know. I like that on the roof, the Vauxhall emblem. And I love jacked up spoilers. And if you do, that means you're born like in the 70s, 80s, you're around the 90s. So yeah, nice little beauty. So again, I think I got this from Europe, sell it in Europe. I got it on bid, because here it was going for £80.90, same in Japan, £80-90 for that. But sometimes you put your bids in and you get it half price or near half price, so pretty cool. But I think that looked pretty cool in a drifting rally kind of vid. Nice. Don't worry guys, if you can't see it in its full glory just there, don't worry. The display stand is for that, and we'll put it on there in a bit. Okay, and the stuff that I'm not really too bothered about, don't know why I'm going to show this, but still, loads of wheels and tyres, take them out. Okay, this is the Porsche. It's proper dirty, this is a bit of a clean. Is it a Cayenne or something like that? I don't know. Bit knackered, but they were near enough like £10, so wasn't bothered. There were two of them that came for that much. It was on bid, and I can use them somewhere in my vids. Right, and the other one, I do have the black and chrome version of this Escalade Cadillac. So this one was there as well, and you know, you can't really go wrong. You can just, some different shells to put on your cars, especially as props inside my race vids. Okay, so right, have a look at that little bad boy on the display stand guys, see it in its full glory, and we'll move on to our next lot. And there's some cool stuff coming guys. I've got some stuff from England, which I haven't been buying from England for ages, and some more stuff from Japan, from a seller called Hero that I used to deal with quite a lot before. So yeah, so there's still some rare stuff to come. So don't go away guys. Watch these on the display stand and be ready for the next installments about to come. Some of the best stuff is yet to come. Okay guys, catch you later. Okay guys, so here we've got the Vauxhall VXR, and this is the BTCC, I believe, rally car. And it looks kind of alright. I would have preferred flared out fenders and stuff like that, but it still looks pretty cool. You know, the jacked up spoiler, still pretty cool. These are available on eBay, but they're pretty expensive, and again, it's, you know, people wanting near enough £100 for them. So they still are available, but a bit expensive for my liking. I managed to get mine off a seller in Europe, and I think it was bid, so sometimes bids work out pretty cool, and I don't think I paid half as much as what most people are paying. But yeah, there was a stage where I was doing my drift vids, and I thought, you know what, I'd like to have a few rally cars that are a bit different, so I thought that should definitely be in one of them rally vids. I don't think it's alright, it might be all-wheel drive, yeah. Okay, that'll be pretty cool then. So we can drift. And you can tell it's been in storage for a while because them tyres are like almost white. I love the spoiler guys, jacked up at the back. And what I do like is the actual emblem on the top of the car, which looks pretty cool. And I'll show you as I take it off. But yeah, this is classed as being very rare, and you know, the UK is not the best place for buying Mini Zs anyway. It's pretty rare you come across something rare. But this little bad boy, even in Japan, it's become pretty rare, and it's holding its value. So it's definitely a keeper. And if you have a quick look at it, you can see the emblem on the roof, which is pretty cool. The Vauxhall emblem. Okay. Nice little car, man. Let's go. Let's move on.